Hello everyone. This class we are going to learn adverbs. Adverbs describe verbs and modifies adjective and another adverbs. For example, the teacher had to speak loudly to be heard over the children. Here loudly modifies the verb speak. The children were really bad during the movie. Really modifies the adjective bad. Types of adverbs. Adverbs of time, adverbs of manners, adverbs of place, adverbs of degree, adverbs of frequency. These are the types of adverbs. Let us see adverbs of time. An adverb of time answers the question when. Adverbs of time include after, always, before, during, early, later, never, now, often, rarely, recently. Sometimes, then, today, tomorrow, usually, yesterday, etc. Example: John will attend the soccer game after he finished his homework. Adverbs of manner. An adverb of manner answers the question how. Adverbs of manner include badly, beautifully, better, bravely, cheerfully, fast, hard, quickly, slowly, etc. For example, Sarah slowly walked over the rocky beach. Slowly answers the question how did Sarah walk? Adverbs of place. An adverb of place answers the question where. Adverb of place include above, always, below, down, here, inside, etc. Example: Susan placed the boxes above the file cabinet. Here, above answers the question where did Susan place the boxes? Then, adverb of degree. An adverb of degree answers the question how much. For example, John worked very hard to complete his part of the project. Here very answers the question how hard did John work. Next, adverbs of frequency. An adverb of frequency answers the question how often. For example, Bob always forgets to check his mail before class begins. Here, before answer the question how often does Bob forget check his email. Then we can see what is interrogative adverb. Interrogative adverb introduces a question. Interrogative adverbs are usually placed at the beginning of the sentence. Interrogative adverbs include how, when, why, and where. For example, when will John's plane arrive from Atlanta? Conjunctive adverbs. Conjunctive adverb serves as a transitional word joining and relating independent clause. Conjunctive adverbs include accordingly, also, alternatively, certainly, etc. For a list of more conjunctive adverbs refers to the writing center hangout, common conjunctions. For example, we plan to leave early in the morning. Therefore, we will go to bed early. This is example for conjunctive adverbs. Forming adverbs. Adding ly to the end. Many adverbs are formed by adding ly to the adjective. Example: clear, clearly, hard, hardly. Adverb placement. Adverbs are flexible in their placement, therefore they can be placed just about anywhere within the sentence. For example, at the beginning of the sentence or a class, clearly John has a problem arriving to work on time. At the end of the sentence or a class, Sarah and John attend the opera frequently. After the verb, Bob and John have always participated in the social tournament. Between the subject and the verb, Sarah rarely forgets to call home when she is out late. So these are the examples and types of adverbs. These are the examples and types of adverbs. Learn closely.